One of the things we're looking at, again, looking at it from the American Stock Exchange perspective, since that's one of the reasons why I'm in the European community this week, is to look at a way to bring new product to the investing community here in Europe. Something we have at the American Stock Exchange, which is not well known here in the European community, is something called exchange-traded funds. The exchange-traded fund was viewed by most as the most explosive new product in Wall Street over the last year. The AMEX has a virtually 100% market share. Over 200 of these products trade in the AMEX. We're looking at bringing this marketplace to the European community on a pan-European base. Basically, we're looking to have the opportunity for all European investors to gain access to this new investment marketplace.
Okay, give us some clues then as to what sort of a stock market would be a good partner for you. I mean, is it something like London, which is relatively traditional, for example, or is it something like Frankfurt, for example, which is more technology-led? Which is more attractive?
We're looking for a solution that will provide easy access to all investors, both professional and retail, to gain access to these products. So the solution that we will be announcing in a few weeks, actually, is a solution which will provide pan-European access to this market. We'll be looking for something quite similar to what we did in Singapore, and just quickly what that was is a 50-50 joint venture where we looked at the Singapore Stock Exchange platform combined with the absolute pure expertise in these products out of the American Stock Exchange, combining know-how, contact expertise with distribution capability. Let's do the same thing here in Europe, and we'll have a solution announced shortly.
Very briefly, one of the problems with the UK is that people are now just about waking up to having stock portfolios and all the rest of it, and yet you would like to come here and sell them other things that they don't really know about. Is that not a barrier for you?
No, it's not a barrier, because in any new marketplace, you have to get started somewhere. The education process will be substantial. It was substantial in the U.S. Matter of fact, the education process in the U.S. is still going on, even though it has been explosive growth with the product.
Salvatore Sodano, thanks very much indeed for joining us.
My pleasure, Michael.
Thanks.